Using multiple cameras with the Poly Studio X50 is possible. USB and HDMI cameras can be utilized. You can connect up to one HDMI camera source and two USB cameras directly to the X50. To configure your cameras, utilize the web interface of the X50. Under Video Inputs, you'll see the various camera inputs that are available. Renaming the sources will make it simple for end users to select the camera. By default, USB sources are set to people and HDMI can be configured as content or people. Click Save after making your changes. With remote control or touch screen, navigate to Camera Options and choose Select Camera. From here, choose the camera you'd like to send as the main people source. To change camera source from TC8, you select camera source from the main screen and change the input source. If you are using Zoom or another service provider, changing camera sources may not be possible or not supported. Please see software release notes for additional information on the particular service provider.